Hey, what's up guys? We're here at Rockstar Garage for the first day of working on the S2000. First things first, we are going to remove all of the bumpers, all of the fenders, well, both of them actually, both of the bumpers, both of the fenders, and we might even cut into the rear quarter panel, but today is the day we are installing the J's wide body on the car. This is a really, really exciting piece. It's all authentic and all sourced here at Rockstar Garage. Advanced body repair.
Yep.
When they say, no, Kevin, your car's too clean to tear apart. Bending back the old frame rails. 20 bucks says both sides happened on the same off. Yeah. Oh, it's not even connected anymore. Look at that, you don't have to worry about it.
Oh, it's separated.
My God. Woo! That's what a 100 and something track days look like on an S2000 pinch weld. Whoops. All right, first driver's side fender is on.
Oh, you are? Okay.
And you can see the fitment is actually pretty dang good out of the box. You can see here, we haven't put this screw in yet because we still have that, but lines up very, very nicely. See the front headlight wraps around it. Needs a little bit of adjusting. Like it can't be perfect the first time, but my God, very, very impressed with the J stuff. Very, very, very impressed. Here's the other side. This side is not bolted down yet. We just mocked it up. I gotta say, it's pretty dang good. Long night here with Justin over at Rockstar, but we were able to get all of the front and rear bumper on the S2000 mocked up and bolted down for the most part, and the J's fenders. This is basically an entire J's street kit that was sourced through Rockstar, the authentic stuff. You can see behind me, the fitment's actually really spot on, especially for just a mock-up. We just kind of threw it together. The front bumper isn't even bolted in yet, but you can kind of get an idea of how the overall fitment is on this kit. Again, we're missing the inside portion of there. Those are down here. And there's kind of the first look of it right there. So we're going to head to the back. We are going to throw these side skirts on it. And then here is the new rear. Boom. The rear bumper actually really surprised me on the fitment. It went right in. I dare I say better than OEM actually. You can kind of see the lines. It just all fit right in. Look at that. Very, very impressed. We're probably gonna have to do some trimming on the inside here to fit the tires that we want to fit. The goal is 315s, but you know, that's the goal. We'll see what can work. It's crazy how wide that front bumper is, or that front fender. You can see that I think it's 25 millimeters. Pretty big difference when we don't have the rear over fenders on yet. And there you have it. We're done. It's not a late night or anything, but we were able to get it done with the help of Justin and the whole Rockstar Garage team. We were able to get the front bumper on, the rear bumper on, front fenders. It's all mocked up, everything fit, and I'm really, really, really excited to get this thing done, wrapped, put together, get to the fun stuff, which for me is the power and the aerodynamics. We're gonna hopefully secure a splitter tomorrow and do some test fitting. I'll be sure and bring this along and vlog that process and see how we make any changes based on that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Later.